What are you going to review?
Unboxing.
What do you mean unboxing?
Unboxing.
You are going to unbox what?
This construction.
What is it, a construction truck? Let's
Yeah.
open the box and let's see what's in it.
Whoa! Okay, guys, where are the constructions? Oh,
Where are the instructions?
Right here.
Instructions are
Where are
in
the
there.
constructions to this? I guess I can do it myself. Dad, we found the constructions. Why is plastic? Oh, these are stickers.
How do you say stickers in Italian?
And it's easy. Guys, feel this. This is heavy.
Oh wow. How do you say heavy in Italian?
Pesante.
Good job. You should always look at the instructions. How do you say instruction in Italian? Okay. Well, let's see how the crane is coming along. Oh, that crane works. How do you say crane in Italian?
Glue.
Yes.
We don't have these
Plastic.
pieces. We don't have these pieces. We don't have these
Yes, you
pieces.
do have these pieces. We have all the pieces. Show me your
Look, two of these.
Yes, and they're already
this.
together. Then you need what's this piece?
Okay. We need to remove this.
Look at the picture. Okay, one comes down. So here the yellow, this side the yellow. You see? This side the yellow. Oh wow, it stays up. That's amazing.
Here's guys, you see these? Do you see these? Do you see these? These make it hold the wheels upside down.
Oh, these trucks are magical.
And look, this is when they go through, but then they sometimes get trapped, and then they just go bam! No, and then they do the code, and then this opens. Okay?
Okay, so
Now,
what?
now we need to finish getting our traps out of these rubber bands. Guys, let's finish the trap first before we get this. What do you do? Good thing. What do you do? See, look. See that chain over here? Look. I think it needs to stick out. Where did this thing go? I didn't really see.
How do you say corn in Italian? Oh wow, guys, there is a car on the truck already. Why?
Look at the cradle is blocking it. At least one sticker is on.
Try your car, Jacob.
One sticker is on. Now, here we put it actually. Robert, it's knocking down everything. Sorry.
Whoa!
Damage.
Oh wow. Okay, let's finish it up first. Whoa! Did you see that?
It was a jump.
It was so fast. Jump. How do you say jump in Italian?
Salto.
Salto. Wow! Did you see that?
Watch out! Whoa. Whoa.
Whoopsie. Bye bye. The car. How do you say truck in Italian?
Camion. Camion. To go over. What? Jacob! It could go on the track. Look, he could go straight back on this track. Look, I'll show you. 3, 2, 1, go.
This.
Like the word.
How do you say train in Italian?
Track. And pushing the ball. And look, watch when it goes on the loop. Like watch it going down to the loop.
Oh wow.
And then it picks it up again.
Oh my god. That's so cool.